Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of drilling hole in your wall just to hang a simple photo frame or coat hook? Well, say hello to the ultimate wall hooks guide. We have the perfect solution for you. Adhesive wall hooks. These hooks are strong, durable, and can hold a variety of items from clothes to a photo frame. Our adhesive wall hooks are incredible easy to use. Not only drilling required, simply peel off the packing and stick the hook onto your desired spot. It's that simple. These hooks are perfect for those who lives in rented apartment or don't want to damage their walls. Not only are these hooks strong and versatile, but they also come in various shapes and sizes suit your needs. Whether you are hanging a heavy winter coat or delicate photo frame, we have the perfect hook for you. Say goodbye to flimsy hook that can't handle the weight. Our adhesive solution long lasting, won't leave any reduce or marks on your wall when you decide to remove them. No more repainting or patches up hole. These hooks are designed to make your life easier, so why wait? Say goodbye to drilling and hello to hassle free hangings. Get your adhesive wall hooks today and transform your walls into function and stylish space. Your clothes, photo frame, and other belonging will thank you for watching ultimate wall hook guide. We hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more innovative solutions, guys. If you want to purchase this hooks, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.